All right, couldn't help it. Today we got Popeyes. Got spicy sandwich, the ghost pepper wings, some biscuits, sides, tenders, I don't know, a bunch of stuff. All right. Popeyes definitely slept on. I'm so tired, but all right. Got some fries and the Mardi Gras mustard. Got the ghost pepper wings. I've seen them around. See if they're actually hot. It smells like nothing. That spice level's like a 2 out of 10, but looking fire, crispy outside. Dude, nowhere near ghost pepper spice, but that's kind of high. I'm not gonna lie. Their fries are so good. I don't really know what this is. A wing, but black and ranch. Get it in there. Came with some biscuits too. Wow, that is drier than the Sahara Desert. But good thing I have Olipop to wash it down. I've never had their mac and cheese. I know that looks kind of scary, but low-key I've heard it's like fire, so. My cheese pool. Shit is so bad, but so good. All right, came with 3 tenders too. This stuff's fire. Mardi Gras mustard. Need to try, dude. Oh my. Get the fry tender combo bombo. Shove it in there. Yep. Last thing we got is the spicy chicken sandwich. My favorite thing ever. Pickles with the breading, with the chicken with the sauce. Oh my goodness. Mac and cheese on the sandwich. Dip it in the ranch for fun. Popeyes will forever have a place in my dear little heart.